Bungle. I kind of like Bungle. Can we name him Bungle? Come on, come on, come on. Can I name him Bungle? Oh, can I keep him? Please tell me I can keep him. Oh, Bungle. Oh, Bungle, you love that. Oh, Bungle loves that. Oh, that's wonderful, Bungle. Let's seal you back up. let's hang you back up right over here. 3 points if I can do it from here. Why did he tumble that hard? All right. All right, two-pointer. Fuck! Never say I don't give you anything, Bungle, because I'm about to give you a whole lot of airtime. Here we go. Fuck! Oh! Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, I thought I bungled it for a second.